guys, and welcome back to Reading Time with Kaylin. Today, our story is Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Let's get started. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much that he sang this song. My 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 3. Because 4 minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My 3 groovy buttons. My 3 groovy buttons. Pop, oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My 2 groovy buttons. My 2 groovy buttons. Pop, oh no, another button popped up and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness no, buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My 1 groovy button. My 1 groovy button. Oh no, the last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness no, buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt. And what do you think he saw? His belly button! And he kept on singing his song. My buttons, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. It's all good. I guess it simply goes to how that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. I like this book because you don't cry when something is gone or when parents say no to things, but you have to keep on moving. So thank you for reading with me, and please subscribe and give a like and watch my other videos on Kaylin's Fun Time. Bye guys!